In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop emails going to junk spam in Outlook. If you've noticed that important messages keep ending up in your junk email folder, don't worry. Outlook gives you a couple of simple ways to tell it which emails you trust, so future messages are much more likely to land in your main inbox instead. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along as you do it. First, open Microsoft Outlook. Once Outlook is on your screen, look toward the top right area and click on the gear icon to open Settings. This is where you can adjust the way your mailbox handles incoming mail. When the Settings panel opens, click on Mail. Inside the Mail settings, find and select Junk Email. This section controls how Outlook filters unwanted messages and lets you manage safe senders. In the junk email area, look for the Safe Senders option and click Add Safe Sender. Here, you can enter the email address or domain of a sender you trust. This tells Outlook that messages from that sender should not be treated as junk. After entering the sender details, click OK to save it. This is especially useful for people or companies you regularly expect emails from, such as work contacts, newsletters you actually want, or account-related messages. Now, there's one more thing you can do, and it's very helpful if an email has already been sent to the junk folder by mistake. Go back to junk email and find the message that shouldn't be there. If you already have one in that folder, right-click the message, choose Junk, and then click Not Junk. This action lets Outlook know that the specific message is safe, and it also helps improve how similar messages are handled in the future. If you don't currently have any messages in your junk folder, that's fine. The Safe Sender setting you added earlier can still help prevent future emails from being filtered incorrectly. As a general tip, it's best to only mark senders as safe if you know and trust them. That way your inbox stays protected while still allowing important emails through. And that's it. By updating your safe senders list and marking any misplaced emails as not junk, you can reduce the chances of important Outlook emails ending up in spam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.